Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can do the Amazon delivery. I'm gonna show you step by step. First go to the Amazon app. So you're gonna pick a block. Sometimes the block is not given, so then you have to refresh it. So I can see I have a block, so I'm gonna pick one block, this one. So I'm gonna swip to schedule. So this is accepted. So then we're gonna head to the depot, then we're gonna pick the deliveries, then we're gonna deliver it. So let's start our journey. Yes guys, so you can see here, so they're asking me to start. My block is 11 o'clock now. This is 28 past, means 10:30. So if you want to cancel your block, so my block is 11, so you should cancel 45 minutes before. Means my block is 11, so I can cancel before 10:15. Means I can cancel up to 10:14, 45 minutes before. If you're going to cancel after that, you can, but they're going to send the email, and this is not going to be good for your account. So if you're going to do again and again, maybe they're going to block your account. So I will teach you what is inside. So I'm gonna start now. So it's asking for start. So my temperature, they're asking for temperature. Okay, got it. So you can use Google Map. I always use Google Map or Waze. So you're asking for one speech always. So if you click this one, then it's asking for which one you want to choose it. I'm going to use Google Map. So it's telling me 21 minutes. So I'm gonna go there. So when I'm gonna reach, so I'm gonna start my video again. So I'm gonna close my videos. So when I'm gonna reach, I will start. So yeah, speak to you soon guys. Okay guys, I arrived over here. Let's open the app. What is saying this one? So it say I arrived. You're gonna click. So you say arrived by 11:05. After that, you might not get your parcels. So make sure you're gonna arrive this time. Okay, sometimes if you arrive early, usually 15 minutes early, then this option is not going to come. Then they will say you wait. So make sure if you arrive early, sometimes you have to wait, then this option will come. You're gonna click on I arrived, then it will say no, I have to scan, I have to go inside. I'm gonna scan my barcode. So you have to scan your barcode in a certain time, otherwise the block is gonna be gone. So don't wait in your car, and then go inside and scan code. Let's scan, press this button. Let's go inside and scan code. This is a depot. You can see here other people, they are doing their deliveries. So I'm gonna go inside. You can see this person is putting their package inside the car. So I'm inside. I'm gonna scan my code now. So just put your mobile in front of this code. So it's scanned now. So I have to wait. So they're gonna assign deliveries to me. Okay, so they have not assigned any parcel yet to me. So in this meantime, I can just teach you a little bit more things. Oh, they assigned me the parcel, so I'm gonna acknowledge. Then so you can say I have arrived. I already arrived. So I'm gonna go inside again. I'm gonna scan my parcels. So but in this meantime, you can check your 2-day itinerary. So it means where are you going. So you can check where your parcel is going. You can see the address, and if you want to see the map, they tell you how far is your parcel is. It will tell you your summary as well, how many parcel you need to do. So I have 5 parcel and 16 means I have a 5 stop, sorry, and 16 parcel I need to drop this off. Then there's a more is offers. You can check the offers and you can accept it. And there's activity hub. You can what is activity is going to be you do. It's going to becomes over here. Calendar. In calendar you can see if I press this 19, so I have this slot. If you want to delete it, you're going to go to the calendar, and this will comes. Then you can fold it to your block. So make sure you do fold it before 45 minutes before. So if you want to in earning, you can see your earning, and here you can help, feedback and videos. This all option is over here. Okay, I'm gonna go inside now. I'm gonna pick my my deliveries. So my parcel is there. He's gonna put these are my parcels. So I'm gonna scan these ones. You can see here, so I'm gonna go one by one. I'm gonna scan all parcels. Okay guys, so I scan my all packages, so I'm gonna put in my car. So this button is swipe to finish. So then I'm gonna put in my car after that. Okay, I can give you good advice. So when you're gonna put in your car, so I have not put in my car, my parcel is over there. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on this one and you're gonna say to-day eternity. So you can see this is 3 parcel, 2 parcel and 2 parcel and 9 parcel. So you can put all this parcel together. You can put these 3 parcels separately, 2 parcels separately. Then when you're gonna go to the stop, it's gonna be easy to pick and deliver it. Okay guys, you can see I put all the package in my car. So this is my one stop. I have 9 parcels and one is over there. You can see, and one is over there. So this is easy. If you don't put randomly, just put just check the address and put in order. It's going to be easy when you're going to go there and just unload it. So now we're going to start our deliveries. If you go to the current stop, then the first stop is going to be comes up. So if you press this button over here, so you can use Google, Waze, anyone. I prefer Google, so I'm going to use this one. So let's start first. It's going to be saying 25 minutes. Let's start the first delivery. So I stop to first my delivery. So I say arrived. I'm going to click arrived. So I have a 3 parcel need to deliver. So it says scan parcel. I'm going to scan parcels one by one, which is in my car. You can see over here. Then I'm going to deliver in front of number 29. You can see number 29, which is around over there. So this is my 3 parcel. I'm going to scan one by one. This first parcel, second, I think second is already scanned. So when you scan, you say continue with 3 parcel. I say yes. So you're gonna, the person who's gonna come on the door, you're gonna click their name and you're gonna sign if it's a signed delivery. I just left in front of the door, so I'm gonna knock the door, then wait for customer. But in this delivery is saying no recipient required, do not knock or ring. So I'm gonna press continue, swap to finish. Then it's gonna give me next my delivery. So let's start to the next delivery. So I arrived on my second stop. So if you use Amazon navigation, it's good. It will tell you exactly where you need to stop. So this is number 80. So I'm gonna press arrived. Then I'm gonna deliver the second stop deliveries. So I reached at my last delivery. So I'm gonna scan the parcels. Then I'm gonna finish my delivery. Okay, scan all the parcels. So I'm gonna continue. I met with person. Swap to finish. Then this you have to give the feedback. So I was very satisfied. I'm gonna submit it. Did you face any? No. Then submit. Okay, then sometimes if you have a 2 hours delivery, that was 1.5 hours. So I was supposed to finish at 1 o'clock, but you can see I finished at 18 past 12. It's not bad. And sometimes you finish early, if you have a 2 hours block, then they're asking you to go back to depot. So it's up to you. You can go if you want to go, then you can get more deliveries. But if you don't want to go, it's fine. But if you finish 2 hours block in half an hour, you should go. Otherwise they can make the note and they might block your account. So thank you for watching this all video. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this delivery, and then I'm happy to help you guys. Thank you. Stay safe.